IPOs for everybody. You used to have to be a Wall Street fat cat to get on the ground floor, but there's one company that's looking to change that, LOYAL3, helping ordinary investors and even first-timers buy at the offering price. And LOYAL3 CEO Barry Schneider joins us now. Thanks for being with us, Barry. So you guys just are out of the quiet period on the AMC Theaters IPO, which you had a nice little hand in. So what do you think overall what's going on with what you're trying to pull off?
I think it's a great thing. It's a great example of our desire to democratize the markets and make it easy and affordable for everyone to invest in the brands they love. And that includes IPOs at the same price, same time as Wall Street. First time ever.
And yet fans were able to do this. Let's talk about fans and faith. We have a little chart they made up for us here. And the AMC stock offering, it turns out, while most times in an IPO, the institutions, they'd flip that stock over in a single day. You had 98% of the buyers at your website of AMC did not sell in the first day. 93% held AMC still after a month. 11% actually bought more. We're kind of going back to the old days of real loyal fan investing.
It's like Back to the Future. AMC did this because they care about their loyalty members. They care about their employees. And so they made their stock available through our platform. And look what happens. The people show more affinity, they show more care, and they hold on to the stock. That makes sense for the company. It makes good sense for the individual.
And you were telling me actually that studies show that when a fan, and I remember that's how Dell created a whole bunch of millionaires. People used the computer like Dell bought the stock. Reebok did the same thing. And that when a fan buys a stock and the company gets in trouble, instead of selling the way Wall Street does, the fan often buys more.
Absolutely. And so I asked the question, why should the everyday person be locked out of IPOs? Why should they be locked out of the market, which they are really from an economic perspective? So our platform makes it easy for them, it makes it fee-free for them, and it allows them to invest as little as $100 in IPOs.
Right, we got a couple tweets here from some delighted movie fans that were able to buy their first ever shares of stock. It's really quite a sweet thing. I hope they can run that. But in addition to simply letting a regular investor get in at the IPO price, which we can never do, you're actually able to open up investing to a lot lower income people who never would otherwise be allowed under old SEC rules. And now they're able to get in for as little as, what, $100 on your site and buy stock for the first time in their lives.
And you're creating new capital formation, but more than that, you're taking you're delivering on the American principle of a level playing field, of equal opportunity. Why should the person that has $1 million sitting in a bank account have the ability to invest in IPOs, and the person that's going to invest 100 or 500
right.
not?
Yeah, it's a great idea, but you've done 3 IPOs, I believe, in 20 months. You and I met a year ago, and I was very excited about it. But you had 400,000 shares of AMC out of 18 million. This is a teensy 2.2% sliver. When will we start seeing the LOYAL3 and that idea of the fan and the newcomer, that kind of percentage go up?
Well, I hope very soon. I mean, we're getting a lot of traction. A lot of companies are saying, this makes a lot of sense to me. We're working with some of the big banks on Wall Street because I think we are very supportive, complementary, and augmenting to what they do. So our plans are to be very ubiquitous, which is, I guess, redundant.
Yeah. All right. Thanks so much for being with us today, and good luck in your efforts to make IPO investing available to far more of the hoi polloi out there and the regular guys. We appreciate it. Barry Schneider, LOYAL3.
Thank you very much.